Hello YouTube fam, welcome to our new home. This door's a little bit of a struggle, but welcome. So obviously it is very echoey in here. We just moved in and I wanted to show you guys a full house tour, especially now that it's empty. At least for the most part is empty. So if you guys are new here, my name's Tina and I post videos on lifestyle, home, and DIY. And this is the biggest DIY project that I'm doing on this channel. We just purchased our first home back in Chicago. So I'm really happy to be here and I'm so excited to show you guys the whole house. So make sure that you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can follow along in this journey. And to start the house tour, we have the entryway right here, which is quite small. We have a closet right over here. We have a light that is kind of cute. It looks like a heart. Let me turn it on for you. Ta-da! It's gonna go. And here we have a ledge, which I'm hoping that we can kind of just get rid of, and I think this is gonna really open up this entryway out into the living room. We also have an entryway closet right here, and it's pretty basic. Something that I noticed is that there are no rods in any of the closets, so we'll have to figure that out. I don't even know how to open this. Okay, one thing that I noticed about this place is that there are exposed vents like everywhere in these closets, so that's something that I want to figure out how to kind of conceal. I'm thinking of maybe making this kind of like a mudroom type of entry, so getting rid of these doors, and that's all I have so far. Maybe a bench here as well, but we'll see. This is actually our second night here, so we've been cleaning a lot and we've noticed there's a lot of spiders everywhere. And Brian just spotted one over here. Oh shoot. Oh my god, there's a lot. Ooh, we definitely did not clean this yet. Oh god. I'm sure there's some more up in that hole, but I'm not even gonna do that right now. And normally we would take spiders and put them outside, but there are just way too many in the house, so we have to kind of get rid of them and all the webs and make this more friendly. Maybe we can have a couple of spiders here and there, but for the first month or so here, I don't want any at all. Okay, moving on. So this opens up into our living room and we have a wonderful fireplace right here. This is kind of huge, kind of in an awkward place, but I think we could make it look really cute. Previously they had their TV over the fireplace, but I think I want to change that up and kind of switch around the layout. So I love these giant windows. They are original to the house, so they do need to be replaced. They're really old and I don't think they've been maintained, so it's time to replace them, and I'm hoping to make these black probably, but I really love how large these are, and this house actually faces north, so a lot of sunlight actually comes from the back of the house, so having these huge windows in the front really helps us bring in more natural lighting. Big tip if you guys are moving into a new place, make sure that you have some temporary blinds. So right here we have some lovely paper blinds, and these are great especially for the nighttime or if you want privacy. And these were very easy. It basically just has an adhesive at the top, and you just stick it right over here, and voila, you have your beautiful blinds. So we have it across the whole front side because they did not have any blinds, and you can see kind of on the ceiling here, they've been removed as well. So this whole area is going to go through a big makeover soon, hopefully. And one thing that I also wanted to point out is the light hardwood floors. So I believe these are original to the home. This house was built in the 1950s, so you can kind of see the floorboards are kind of skinnier, and that's how you can kind of tell that they are original. So they are very creaky, so I'm sure you guys are gonna hear that as I'm walking around. Let me show you guys. And also usually we would take our shoes off, but we're still cleaning, so shoes are kept on. I'm really excited for the living room space because in a couple of months this will not look the same at all, and this is probably going to be one of the bigger projects since it is such an open space, and I'm so excited for it. But for now I'm going to take you guys into the little hallway over here. So over here we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and it's in this tiny little hallway. There's a linen closet right here, and into here is our primary bedroom. So welcome to the primary bedroom. It is kind of a tiny cozy room, and you'll notice that each one of the rooms has a ceiling fan, so we probably will get rid of those. This bedroom kind of has smaller windows, and then we have our air mattress out, so we've been sleeping on this. And then we have a closet over there, which definitely needs a makeover. Let me show you guys actually, because it is not cute at all. It is a beautiful shade of yellow, and you also have some beautiful artwork. I believe it is crayon from the previous owner's kids, so that is lovely and obviously needs to also go. I'm very excited to make this into a beautiful closet and a beautiful room overall, but it's definitely gonna take some time to get there. Also, there are 2 chairs in this closet, so you know, you could do couples therapy in here, have a nice, lovely time in this closet. So right off of that is the bathroom over here, and we have double sinks, a mirror that desperately needs some help because there are scratches everywhere. You'll kind of notice that there are a lot of little quirks about this house that needs some minor fixes. This house does have 2.5 bathrooms, so there's one in the basement as well. You can kind of tell that they redid this recently, but what's so funny is that I realized that these, although they look like they're marble, they're actually printed on. So if you look really closely, you can kind of see like some pixelation in there. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but these are definitely not real. I don't know if the knock test does anything, but yeah. This is pretty much move-in ready. I added a shower curtain over there. We also have a poopery in here, which is a must-have in any bathroom, and this one actually smells really good, so definitely must have this. And then this toilet also has to be replaced because when you sit on it, it actually moves around. So we found that to be a problem in this toilet and also the other toilet, and I will show you guys that later. Jesus, an earthquake. So next in this little hallway is the secondary bedroom, and this is the only one that I have decorated so far, so let's take a look. Ta-da! When I say I decorated it, it honestly is just storage for now. So we have all of our boxes in here, and actually I have a bunch of the new items that I have for the craft room. So I'll show you guys that area next. So this is a great small bedroom, and we're planning to make this into an office/guest room. So this is gonna be perfect for working and having people over for the weekends. So here we have our mattress, which just came in, and I'm so happy because that means tonight we are not sleeping on an air mattress. And also over here are these space bags. So these are vacuum sealed bags, and we fit them all into our car. This is honestly a must-have, especially if you're moving across the country like we did. So honestly, I'm going to save these and use these for storage probably in another area. But yeah, I have no real plans for this room yet. I think it's mostly gonna stay storage for a while. If someone comes over and is staying over, I'll probably be more likely to do it then. But for right now, it is bring your own bed if you're staying over, or you could sleep on our clothes over there. Okay, so coming out of this hallway, we have a tiny little dining nook area. We want to maximize the space as much as possible because we love entertaining and we have a big family, so I'm going to make this space work. And right over here is actually the 3rd bedroom, which is going to be our DIY studio/craft room, and I'm so excited because there are big plans for this room. So this room is actually an addition, so I don't believe that there was a closet, so the old owner kind of just made their own. There are nails sticking out everywhere. These little doors don't even have a handle. It's just a really weird, awkward thing, but we're gonna make it work for now. Eventually, I do want to knock this down. Even on this side, there's another door, and to be honest, this might be bigger than our LA apartment. Just kidding. Something that I really love about this room is all the windows. So we have 6 huge windows in here, so it brings in a lot of great natural light. And again, this area is a south-facing window, so it gets lighting throughout the whole entire day, so that makes it super perfect for plants. So of course, I'm gonna fill this whole room with plants. And this is actually going to be the first room that we make over, so I'm going to do this before the end of the month, so I'm very excited to share that with you guys. But yeah, I'm just so happy that I have my own space to create and make videos for you guys in here. Okay, so coming out of the craft room, we have, again, the dining nook over here. We have a chalkboard wall, which you guys know my love for chalkboard walls. That is sarcasm, because if you saw my undoing my apartment, that chalkboard wall was not fun to deal with. And over here we have a powder room. And again, we have a toilet that shakes. Oh my God. What the heck? What? Okay, that was the seat, but also the whole, okay, I don't really know what to do right now. I think this also, yes, look at that. It's basic, but has a lot of potential. I feel like powder rooms are where you want to have a lot of fun and do really cool designs in. But for now, I'm just gonna turn off the lights and close it because no one needs to use this bathroom. Off of the powder room, we have a tiny little pantry, which I just have cleaning stuff in right now. And of course, a bag of rice because there's a superstition that when you move into a new home, you need rice, salt, and water. And my mom brought that for us, so I'm very thankful that she was watching out for us. But I know that other cultures have other superstitions, so that was really cool that a lot of you guys on Instagram also told me that you have similar superstitions with rice or bread or salt and things like that. So I'd love to know what your superstitions are when it comes to moving into a new home. And right off of this is our kitchen. So this is a Galley kitchen, and I actually grew up with a Galley kitchen. Brian did also, so I'm very familiar with this whole layout. This kitchen kind of looks good from far away, but it looks like a mess up close. They ain't not. They, I don't even know what to say. Delete that. Okay, I apologize in advance because they're doing landscaping next door, so it is very loud. Plus this is echoey, so I apologize in advance. But one thing I will say about this kitchen is that it is a total Monet. From far away, it looks pretty good. It's a white kitchen, looks kind of clean, but up close, it is a total mess because if you look inside, it is not cute at all. There are scratches everywhere. These cabinets look like they were kind of DIY'd, but not in a good way of DIY. So if you can kind of see here, you'll see all the different seams. You'll see mismatched painting, uneven painting. Even right here, it wasn't really done. Ew, I just touched it. So this is definitely not the best. But that is why we're here. We're gonna redo this whole kitchen, and I'm really excited because we're going to renovate the whole entire thing. And one of the biggest reasons why we bought this house is that even though it's not a complete fixer-upper, there are definitely opportunities for us to go in and just redo it however we want it to be. So I'm just so excited to document the whole thing and share it with you guys. Okay, so let's keep going. I wanted to show you guys the fridge because this is actually the nicest fridge that I've ever had. There is water and ice. And then we also have these drawers, which are so awesome. Brian picked up Gino's East Pizza, which is a Chicago brand pizza. I've actually have never had it, so I'm very excited to eat that soon. And then over in this corner is nothing. My plan for this area is to do a built-in bench area because there are two doors coming in from the garage as well as the backyard. So here would be a really nice place to sit and put on your shoes and all of that. And then maybe do some hooks along this wall. And again, we have 3 really big windows, so it lets in a lot of great lighting. Today's pretty cloudy, so I hope to get better B-roll with better lighting. But that is basically the whole first floor. This door goes out into the backyard, and this door goes into the garage, and it is a 1-car garage, so it is small, but it'll fit our car, and also really great to have, especially in the winter time. There's glass on the floor, random things that are probably not safe to be around, but here we are. Now we're closing this door. All the doors are also messed up, if you haven't noticed. So we have this door, and then we have one last door over here. This leads into the basement, and there's a lock on it, which that's kind of weird. And look, here we go. Okay, so we are here in the basement. There's a million light switches because there's a lot of lights down here. And here we have the main area of the basement. So this is a nice open area. The floors are a faux wood tile, and it's kind of a gray tone, so I'm just gonna keep it as is. We have gray again on the walls, and then we also have an exposed brick wall right here, which is really nice. I kind of like that little feature. Our plan here is to make this our main entertaining area, so I want to put a TV over here, a big couch over here, and then one day I hope to put cabinets right here and do kind of like a bar situation along this whole wall. So this whole basement is huge and it honestly is a blank canvas, and I'm very excited to make it a wonderful place to entertain and also as a little gym in here. And I feel like the whole time on this tour I've been kind of pointing out all the negative things and kind of roasting the house a little bit, but that's just because I see so much potential. I know with our DIY touches we're gonna make this into a very beautiful home and one that is special to us. So I'm just so excited to take you guys through the whole entire journey, and we have a little bit left of the house to show you guys, so the rest of the basement and then also the backyard. Through this door is our little laundry room, so we have our washing machine and drying machine, and then we have this giant sink. I feel like a lot of people have sinks like this, especially if you have a little bit of an older home. This thing is huge and heavy. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. We'll probably DIY something to make it a little bit more cute. This door is the second bathroom, so we have a full bath in here. So we have a nice sink, cute little setup over here, and through here is the shower, and I actually like what they did in this shower better than the upstairs one. Pretty simple. I don't think we'll be really using this much except for maybe for guests, and obviously when we entertain we'll have people use this bathroom as well, but it's pretty cute for now, so we're gonna keep it as is until I can make it over. This is the last section of the house, so we have some shelving right here. We also have our heater and boiler and stuff, so I really want to do a DIY on this area, make it all cute. We have a fridge over here, and then a little alcove over here, and then the last bedroom in this area. The old owners actually had a gym in here. I'm thinking this could maybe be a little bit of a workshop. So with this extra bedroom, we could use this for storage or whatever we really want it to be. It's definitely a nice size. It comes with a closet, so lots of potential. I would love to know what you guys would do with this extra bedroom in the basement. And that basically concludes the house tour. The last area I want to show you guys is the best area, so we're gonna go upstairs and out into the backyard. Here we go. So, it's such a nice day out today. So here is our backyard. It is so beautiful. I recently learned that the dad of the previous owner was a landscaper, so he did all the landscaping in the front and the back. So you'll see lots of flowers, a little bit of veggies like up in the front here. There is a nice patio right here. We just got everything clean, so there's no more weeds, and this is gonna be so cute, especially in the summertime to entertain people. I want to do string lights up above. Obviously you get a grill, a beautiful patio set over here. Also, the previous owner left this little play set, but this has got to go. But there's just this huge yard, and there actually used to be a swing set right over there, so that's why you see some missing patches of grass. And then my favorite, actually my second favorite thing, is this swing. Look how cute this is! This makes me so happy. And I'm just glad that we're able to spend the last of like summer here. So this makes me super happy. It is honestly such a good backyard. I'm really excited for all the summers here. And then actually my favorite thing is right over here, which is our fire pit. Okay, so this fire pit seriously sold me on this house. Look how cute it is. I can imagine us roasting marshmallows and doing s'mores. It's just super cute, and I think it's perfect for this area. We have our wood over there as well, and honestly, having a backyard like this is just so amazing, and I'm so happy. So that was the house tour. I'm so excited to get started. If you guys have any other questions, please leave them down in the comments, and I would love to hear any advice from you guys if you're homeowners. So that is it for the tour. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily updates, and that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!